Within the world of automatic transmissions, there is a system called CVT, which stands for Continuously Variable Transmission. If you look at how this gearbox works in a side view, it might look similar to a bicycle sprocket and chain system, but high-tech, with a metal belt or chain running between two pulleys that can open and close. This allows for infinite gear ratios to choose the ideal combination of speed and torque. In other words, a continuous gearbox with the possibility of seamless shifts. Unlike a normal gearbox, which has fixed gears, first, second, third, like climbing a staircase, the CVT is like going up a ramp in a continuous climb without any jumps. A computer constantly analyzes what I am asking of the car and can switch from maximum torque to maximum speed transfer. It analyzes the pressure on the accelerator, analyzes the speed, and deduces what type of acceleration is needed and can balance maximum torque and maximum power to achieve the best performance the engine can provide at any given moment. This, on one hand, and on the other, also with the lowest fuel consumption possible. A conventional automatic transmission does not have a continuous shifting system, but a set number of gears with an electronic or mechanical hydraulic system that chooses the right gear for each driving situation. Both types of transmissions use automatic transmission fluid, but they are very different fluids. They have absolutely nothing to do with each other. The most essential and basic difference is slipping versus gripping, because a conventional automatic gearbox to change gears actually relies on the interaction of a complex series of multiple metal gears turning against each other. Its lubricant is designed to be very slippery because its mission is for the metals to rub smoothly without wearing out and to withstand those stresses without overheating. Now let's go back to the other gearbox. The CVT does not use gears, but a metal belt that runs between two pulleys, and that belt works by friction, which is exactly the opposite of gears. Because with gears, I try to have no friction so they don't wear out, and in a CVT, it is about having friction so there can be traction. Its lubricant has special additives that generate friction or grip under pressure. It needs the belt to stick to the pulley to transmit the power. So the fluid made for CVT gearboxes has nothing to do with the fluid for conventional automatic gearboxes, because they perform opposite functions. They are not interchangeable. If you put conventional transmission fluid, which is slippery, into a CVT, the metal belt will slip on the pulleys because it won't have any grip. The belt slips, heats up, grinds the metal of the pulleys, and destroys the transmission in a very short time.